How to set digital well-being limits on Android. This tutorial shows you how to set screen time goals and app timers to manage how much you use your phone. First, open the Settings app on your Android device. From there, scroll down and tap Digital Wellbeing and Parental Controls. After that, you'll land on a dashboard showing your overall screen time for the day. At this point, tap Dashboard to see a full breakdown of how much time you've spent on each app. From here, find the app you want to limit and tap the hourglass icon next to it. Following this, set your desired daily time limit, like 30 minutes or 1 hour, and tap OK to confirm. After that, once you hit that limit, the app's icon will gray out and become inaccessible for the rest of the day until it resets at midnight. From here, if you'd rather set an overall goal instead of limiting individual apps, go back to the main Digital Wellbeing page and look for Screen Time Goal. Then tap Set Goal and choose your target hours and minutes for the day. At this point, your device will alert you once you've reached that goal, giving you a gentle reminder to step away. Finally, if you ever want to remove a timer you've set, go back into the app's settings from the dashboard and tap the minus icon next to it to clear the limit completely. That's how you set digital well-being limits on Android. If this helped, give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and tap the bell so you catch the next one. See you then.